www.gibsontruckworld.com 2006 Ford F-250 Lariat Quad Cab Power Stroke Diesel Long Bed, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, backup sensors, CD player, power, leather seating, keyless entry with alarm, sliding rear window, wood grain trim, PDL, PW, PM, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner, towing package. This diesel provides more capability, more options and a better ride. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. Gibson Truck World, not your average pickup, we are the king of trucks. We will pay you $1,000 if you find a better truck for less. Gibson Truck World is nations ahead of the competition. Automatic,